How to find draft post on Instagram. So basically the first step is you have to open your Instagram app. We are on the home page. So now I will share a post for demonstrational purposes. I will click on the plus icon. Here I will share a post, and then next we are on the final page of posting. So when I will click back twice as like I'm doing, here they will show a draft option right here, but somehow this draft option at no longer appear. But don't worry, I will here to show you how we can find draft option on Instagram. So now go back on the home page of Instagram again, and then you have to go into your profile icon, and then on three dotted lines which is in the upper right corner, here go into your activity. Now go into your posts. Now go back, and plus icon is showing right here. Tap on it, choose a post again, tap on the right option right here, and then next, and then now go back again. Here you will see this option which is showing that you can dis you can draft the post instead of discarding. So I will click on the save draft, and then whenever you go into your plus icon, the icon of draft will show here. You can simply press on it, and you will see this post right here in drafts. I hope this tutorial is very helpful to find the draft on Instagram. Do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.